If you are 50, 55, or 60 and still working and still exhausted, still missing those special moments with your family, wondering if it's too late to build something online, well then friends, this one is definitely for you. It's not too late, but it is time to stop guessing. This is your start here video because the next 90 days are coming, whether you build something or whether you stay stuck. This channel is for those teachers that are burnt out, the retirees who thought life would look so different by now, the professionals who are so tired of trading their hours for dollars. You're not lazy, my friend. You're not incapable, and you're not bad at tech. You're just overwhelmed. Most people in this stage have been posting randomly, buying courses, watching videos, trying side hustles, learning, but not earning. It's that treadmill feeling, you know? I know because I've lived it. I was teaching 8 to 16 hours a day, exhausted, and missing those moments. My husband asked me not to renew my contract, and I panicked. What have I done? But I knew one thing. I would not miss my grandchildren's lives because of a job ever again. So I built something different. No hype, no chasing followers. I have a system. This automation, email follow-up, one core offer, clear daily actions, and everything changed whenever I stopped guessing and followed structure. So let me tell you something clearly. 30K in the next 90 days is not magic, it's math. So if your offer is $900, you need 34 customers in 90 days. That's 11 per month, 3 per week, not 10,000 followers, or not going out there and getting virals. That is people that you're helping. You have 3 people per week. If you offer a $1,400 offer, you need 22 customers in 90 days. That's 7 per month, 2 per week. That's what most people never calculate. They chase the viral. And instead of building structure, people do not fail because online income doesn't work. They fail because they never chose one framework. They switch platforms every week. They don't automate. They don't follow through 90 focused days of structure. They operate emotionally, and income is built strategically. That's why I built a 90-day framework. There's no hype challenge. There's no motivation. It's a structure. And in the next 90 days, we're going to set up the automation correctly. We're going to define one core offer. We're going to build intentional traffic. We're going to create clear hooks and calls to action. We're going to set up the email follow-up and execute daily income producing activities. And you do not need to do this alone, because alone is where most people stall. Imagine 90 days from now, you wake up and you know your numbers, you know your offer, and you know your daily actions of what you need to do. People are entering into your ecosystem. You are no longer guessing, and that is confidence. That is leverage, and that is freedom, my friend. You have 2 choices. You can spend another year trying to figure it out, or you can compress that learning into 90 focused days. The next 90 days will pass away anyway, but 90 days of structure, that changes your trajectory. If you're serious, not curious, serious, click below, join the community, register for the webinar, step into the 90-day run, and stop playing small. This is your start. Go down there and grab that free Freedom Formula blueprint and get in this 90-day run with us, because it is going to be epic and you do not want to miss it, my friend.